What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing a build walk around of my good friend Brendan's truck. If you want to go ahead and stay tuned on his build, you can check out his Instagram. It will be in the description box below. It is a work in progress, but that's why. Go follow him on Instagram and you'll see what he does to it. Let's go ahead and get into the video. We'll show you what he has.
What's up, you guys? This is my 2015 Tacoma. As Jesse said, it is a work in progress, but let's show you what we have going on so far. Alright guys, we'll start off here. I did install the TRD Pro grill, so I did swap that out. I did put OP7 HIDs in there. They are the 4200 lumens, so they are pretty bright. Me and Jesse actually just recently installed these rigid Midnight Edition ditch lights. The next step is we're gonna go ahead and put a light bar inside the grill. So that'll be coming soon. So eventually I'm going to be changing out the front bumper. I'm still a little undecided on what we're going to put on here, so stay tuned for that. That'll be coming. Alright guys, so I did end up going with a Pro Comp wheel set here. This is the Pro Comp Extreme Alloy. They are the 17 by 9s. I did also go with the Pro Comp tire. I'm running the 285/70/17. They did rub a little bit when I put them on, so depending on what gen you have, you may have to cut out a little bit of the fender there. Other than that, at the moment, all I have is a leveling kit with spacers, just to get a little more clearance underneath. 3" in the front, 1.5" in the rear. Like I said, that's just to kind of get a little more clearance until I do get my suspension done. We'll move back here a little bit here. I got the in-channel sun visors here. In-channel ones are a little bit nicer. They don't stick onto the outside here. Got the window tint. I got limo around the car. The next thing we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and just plastic dip all my emblems, make them all nice and black. That'll be coming probably in the next week or so. After that, goals for this year is to get suspension done. I'm still a little undecided on suspension. I'm thinking about maybe going kind of what Jesse here has, the Bilstein 5100s in the front and the 5160s in the rear. But that's still undecided. That'll be coming later this year, so make sure you follow my Instagram to keep up on that. Alright guys, so the back is pretty stock still. For the time being, I'm going to go ahead and black out all my emblems. I'm going to actually wrap the bumper. I'm kind of tired of the chrome here until I can figure out what kind of bumper I want to do. For the back, that's pretty much it. In the future, I'm probably going to go ahead and get a bed rack. That way we could do the rooftop tent. But like I said, that's in time to come. I'm still trying to decide how I want to do this truck here.
Yeah. Alright, so if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, if you want to go ahead and follow my friend's build on Instagram, his Instagram will be in the description box below. So go check him out if you want to do that.